top of the morning to... Oh, come on. It didn't work again? Why did I even buy this super fancy, amazing, high-tech, cutting edge? It's practically a Tesla coffee maker, or so I thought. Every time it gets hot and the steam comes up, it softens these whole coffee beans, gets them all cakey and gummy, and it gums up the chute down there like it's constipated. Needs a colonoscopy or something. You know, it's time to fix this problem once and for all. No, no, no. Be quiet. Come with me. I've had it with you and your failure to brew.